Yeah. Okay, so we're at Walmart.
Yeah.
You can't tell, but we are. And we got a bunch of stuff, and we're gonna review it. We're gonna review it. All right. See you then. Welcome to the food review. We have many wares to rate. We're gonna really get in there.
What's her scale?
Her scale? Okay. It is 0 to 10 IGN.
Alright.
Yeah. So no decimals because they don't do that anymore.
Yeah.
All right, we're doing lemon groove Pop-Tarts. Lemon groove Pop-Tarts first. Here's the nutrition facts.
Yeah, because they can definitely see that from.
Yeah, here. Yeah, they can see it.
See, I'm here to like ground you in the reality. You know?
Yeah, snap back to reality. Oop, there goes gravity.
Okay. Oh, okay. I guess I don't have to open.
Yeah, so there's 2 in here. You know what? No, I should not have trusted you with that. Alright, here's what they look like. I don't like the print on them.
Yeah.
I feel like they print them on. I think that's really weird and artificial and weird.
Oh, there's
and
other
artificial.
ones that do this.
I know. That's why I'm saying that's not a thing that I like that they do.
It kind of just tastes like pink lemonade, but with bread.
It's like if you poured pink lemonade on a cake.
I mean, it's kind of good, I guess. It's kind of weird too. Yeah, I don't want to take another bite of it.
Let's make sure our mouth parts aren't touching. So we'll set that right there for later. Later. Alright,
Yeah.
What do you want to get into next? It's your pick. I knew you were going to go for that. It's prime rib and horseradish wavy chips.
Here, look at the nutrition facts.
They're from Kroger. They're the only thing from Kroger in this video, sadly. You're probably have to turn up the audio like all the way up when we like edit, because I doubt it's picking up like barely anything.
This actually kind of good. It's like spice to that.
All right. 1 second. I'm back.
Wow, you just interrupted me.
I
Okay.
bet you're doing so much. No, that one's yours.
Yeah.
Because this one's already drinking out of from last night. I mean, it's the factory must have made a mistake or something.
I definitely haven't had this before.
Yeah.
Are we gonna rate any of these?
Oh, okay. I forgot about that. All right, lemon Pop-Tarts. That's gonna be a 5 IGN out of 10 IGNs.
Yeah, same.
This, that's gonna be a 2.
7.
2. I didn't really like those.
No, it's a 7. It's actually a 7, guys. It wasn't the same.
But these, I think these are like a 10 IGN.
Yeah.
It's kind of like the same feeling you get when like you see a horse in like a pasture, and then you just kind of punch the horse.
Yeah.
Because
But
you
like
know.
with more artificial flavor.
Yeah, it's like an artificial horse.
Yeah. What?
Yeah, you know.
Okay, cool.
Relatable.
I actually really like this.
Yeah, I think it's my turn to pay.
I do think I like frostbite better, but you know, these chips are. I hate that place anyway.
I think we should close with the Takis. That's the last thing we do before we get into the drinks. We got grips. They brought them back from your childhood. They brought back the grips. Let's see, there's these ones, which are Chips Deluxe flavored, Cheez-It flavored, and Grahams flavored. And we're gonna eat them all.
Alright.
We don't care.
Let's just jump right into
it.
Whoa. Yeah, let's make sure we're on the same.
Alright. Rip and tip. Okay, this is. Okay, Cheez-It brand. I think you're making a mockery out of me. How? You're not
they're
supposed to.
small. They're small.
You can
Look
see
at
them
how
on the
small they
packaging.
are. They're so small.
Yeah, they're small
Look
as
at them,
Maxwell.
guys.
Alright, we ripped it. Now let's tip it. You're supposed to tip it. Just small Cheez-Its.
What do you
Right.
think they were going to taste like? We'll rate this.
I gotta tell the people what they are. I think that one is a 5 IGN out of 10.
Yeah.
Alright, Chips Deluxe grip.
Whoa.
You gotta grip them in the palm of your hand. So they're called grips. You didn't know. Wait, show the camera what you just did.
I ripped off the foil.
You can see the inside of them. That's what it looks like from the inside. It's disgusting.
What is this? Are these cookies?
Hey, they're like little cookies. These were my favorite back when they first had them. Just like I remember them. Rating. I think that's a 7 out of 10 IGN. I think that's really nostalgic. Alright. These are probably the ones I'm least excited about. They're just cinnamon graham crackers. Like, it's the most basic flavor. Oh, I actually ripped it how they're supposed to. Dude.
Interesting. I rate that at 2.
Four.
No.
4 IGN.
No. 2. 2 IGN. Sorry. Just trying to.
The way you open that.
That's how they're supposed to be opened.
Alright, time for pellet cleanse.
That's how you sound.
Mine's a little flat because I drank some last night. I mean, what? That didn't happen.
Alright. It's my turn. Imagine.
Oh, it's the one that I keep forgetting that I bought.
Push pop. Gummy roll edition.
Gummy roll. Where does it say edition? Where does it say edition?
It doesn't.
Berry blast. Oh, is that a sticker?
How
to enjoy. Step
Wow.
3. Wait, no, you gotta open it. You gotta open it.
Oh.
There's like
no.
sugar all over it.
Oh no.
This is like,
Oh no.
oh.
I don't.
It looks like someone already took a bite. This is so bad. It's so messy. God, we're gonna have to clean this.
Yeah.
How do I open it? Whatever. I guess you know how to enjoy if you're already enjoying. Let me.
I'm trying not to get this powder on the table, but over top of the table, Sam. That's not how you do it. Okay. Anyway. Sam, you're supposed to do this, and then it cuts it off.
I don't want to cut it off. I want
Here,
to eat it like a man with my teeth. For America.
I wish you would just not say anything at all sometimes. I mean, it's good, but I hate this packaging. It's probably the worst packaging I've seen.
Yeah. I think that's sour.
It's good flavor.
Good flavor.
I
I
think
think
that for the packaging.
that's a 3. The flavor's good. I like how it tastes. I like how it tastes. I gotta go get spoons.
Oh no. Oh, it's going so well, guys. Never for you.
You petting my dog?
What do you think I'm doing?
Well, we got spoons. I'm sure that sounded so great.
Yeah.
Around here.
Okay, Sam, just give me the spoon.
Spoon voting, dude. Okay, you want blue or pink?
Want you to
I think they
have to
taste
say
the same.
that.
I think they taste the same. You want blue or pink? You want blue or pink? Do you want blue or pink?
I want pink, yeah. Why do you open them like that?
They won't.
We're professional, right? This is
Some of the plastic from the blue one came off.
care. Well, I guess you have to
Hold
get
on,
that
wait.
one now.
Yeah. Wait, first I gotta. We gotta try out these.
Yeah.
It comes with these nice tattoos, which we're gonna try out right now. That's got chemicals on it. It's where if I come back and you're already chowing down on some pudding, I don't know what I'll do.
Okay.
Okay, do you want hashtag wet life? Or
I don't want you to say that again.
or do you want mermaid on rock?
Um,
Look, we got hashtag wet life and we got mermaid on
You're
rock.
still saying that, Sam.
That's what it said. Oh, mermaid life.
Thank you. So it's not what that said. You just.
That's what I thought it said. You already spooned the pud? You get wet life for that.
That's not what it says, Sam.
Okay, I got it.
Okay. Okay. Oh, awesome.
I think this rag needs to be wetter. Hold on. Here. A little dabble do ya.
But probably the worst episode that we've ever
This is
filmed.
the best episode we've ever filmed.
It's not. I don't see. Wow. It worked so good.
It worked well on mine. Look at that.
I
Look at
actually
that.
have like arm hair, Sam.
I got arm hair too. I just didn't put it on my arm. Here.
Really gotta.
You gotta get into the spirit.
I hate that. Yeah, I mean it worked better than last time, so.
Just show the camera. He loves
Yeah, I don't.
it. Alright, now I'm gonna put this ecto cooler.
No, Sam.
What? You gotta leave it on.
No. That's horrible. I hate these.
It's just vanilla pudding with coloring in it.
No, impossible.
It's just
I
vanilla.
taste the color, you know.
I can taste the color. I can taste the blue number 4. It's just vanilla pudding with a tattoo.
I like vanilla pudding, so
Yeah, but they're trying to say that it's like
I think it should be
mermaid flavored.
a 1 out of 10 because of that tattoo.
Live your best hashtag mermaid life.
Sometimes, like, I know you think about these things before you say them, but you still decide to say them.
It's what it says on the box. It says hashtag live your best hashtag mermaid life.
Yeah.
Taste like melodies and
Alright,
adventure.
anyway, guys.
Made with love and sea sparkles. There are no
I'm
sparkles in here.
ignoring you.
Sorry, I am wearing down.
Parmesan and roasted
This is
garlic.
Wait, I didn't get to give mine right. Okay, the tattoo. The tattoo is a 10 out of 10. And the pudding is like a 2. It's just vanilla pudding. You know what it tastes like.
Anyway, alright, we're moving on to Parmesan and roasted garlic. These look
Pringles.
good.
No. Okay, wait, hold on. I got something I want. Okay, I can use this other can. I got something I want to talk about. All right, Pringles CEO Sam Pringle. Look at this.
Sam Pringle.
What is this? This new design. What happened to all of his other stuff? You just oversimplified. The poor Pringle man doesn't even know what to do. God, this tattoo makes me play a gangster.
It's actually pretty good. I like that. Pretty decent.
Feels like a garlic parmesan wing. I may not agree with their new mascot, their new logo, whatever, but
Pretty good.
these are good.
I think I write that.
9 out of 10. 9 out of 10.
You stole the words right out of my mouth.
Right off your list.
Okay, anyway.
Pringles Moa Burger, sponsored by Halo. They're wavy Pringles. Ooh, I don't like the wavy Pringles that much. Because, like, it doesn't really translate well to being wavy, because they're Pringles.
What are you talking about?
Ew! Wait, look at that, wait!
Just get it.
I tore off the can!
How is that gross? It's okay.
Because it looked hairy.
Just give me the can,
What's a
please.
Moa burger anyway?
I don't know.
Like a
Just
Hawaiian burger?
Whoa, there's like hardly any powder on this.
There's a lot of, it's,
No.
ooh.
Okay. No? don't like those. Oh, what is that? No. Like, they're okay, but I don't like that as much as the other one.
That's a 6. I don't like that.
Yeah. There's also like this
I
weird.
feel like my mouth's violated.
Yeah. There's also like this spicy flavor that doesn't taste very good. So.
Yeah.
Alright. So yeah, I always do the best picks. What do we got here? These. Is that awesome?
I forgot about those. That's like the first thing we picked
Nutritional
up.
facts.
Oh! We haven't been doing that this whole time.
What?
We only did that once.
We did it twice.
Well, now. You look like sour marshmallows.
It tastes good. Stop. I like these.
They're too chewy.
No. Impossible.
I feel like my jaw's gonna give out.
That'd be funny if like half of this episode just didn't record, so we had to do it. Never. Wouldn't that be amazing, Sam?
But we're out of tattoos. How would we do it over?
Alright, get these away from me. I like these. I rate it a 7.
I rate those a 2. Alright, Cinnamon Toast Scrunch Soft Baked Bars. Here's the nutrition facts.
Stop.
Judge Judy. Can I have one, sir?
No.
Oh. Ooh.
Dude, remember this?
Dude, I look like David Dobrik right now. What does David Dobrik look like?
I don't know.
Hold on.
No, Sam. It's
Hold on, I gotta look it up.
It's not important.
It's important to
No,
me.
it's not. Whoa, these are like really soft. These actually look good. Sam, just open the package and eat it.
Oh! Okay, guys. This is what he looks like.
Hello. Hello.
You could just put an image.
Yeah.
It's pretty good. Probably the most awkward episode that we've ever filmed. Because of your weird reactions to everything.
Like, I'll give that a 6. That's okay.
I'll give that I'll give it a 6.1.
Oh, I forgot we had these. Okay, which one? Which one? Which one? Which one? Which one do you want? Which one do you want? Which one? Which one? Which one? Which one do we do it? Oh!
Peeps. Nutrition facts.
They're fruit punch flavor, which I've heavily protested the purchase of these, but I was outnumbered.
Yeah. That's awesome, Sam.
I bet it was.
Yeah, it was.
I bet it was.
I think I've had these before.
I'm seething.
It has a weird sour taste to it, but it's sweet.
I don't like weird marshmallow stuff.
I don't know. I rate this like a 3.
Marshmallows are like perfect on their own. They gotta write the first one. Add weird stuff to it.
What do you rate it?
1. Because I'm in a mood.
What? Okay, Cheez-Its. Awesome.
Oh, it's my pick, actually.
No, I picked for you.
Democracy.
Exactly. Okay.
You okay there, Bob?
No. Okay.
Whoa, wait. Before
What?
Ew, that is weird. Before you get into that, take a drink of your Mountain Dew after, like, having that cheese, or Pete.
No.
No, because it's like it gave me like a weird taste. Like the other ones actually have powder on them. What was that? Gotta get that nice powder. Gotta suck down that powder, if you know what I mean, boy.
I want you to stop talking.
Hello, Cheez-It.
That one that I ate before was literally just a plain cracker.
That's good. That's
Still-
good!
I still don't like it as much as the buffalo.
That's a 9.
Sure, why not?
Ah. Yeah, I know. Oreos themed.
Why are you liking this? They don't taste as bad as I thought, but also I just ate that hot Cheez-It, so... Oh, no, it's coming back. Yeah, no, I'm good. I like this.
10.
Gross.
Your rating.
0. So that would be like a 5 if we average that. Just give it to me. That looks weird.
Oh, these are the donut ones. I didn't tell you all that.
It definitely tastes like a donut, yeah.
They taste like the strawberry cream, strawberry milkshake Pop-Tarts. They're good. I'm gonna throw this away though, because I don't want to ruin it. We got these two.
Just got some of that pudding on my arm.
You get on me for being weird.
What do you mean? Well, I didn't get any of the chocolate from that. Oh well.
Give me some of this quacks and.
What is wrong with you? That's okay. Stop. That's okay.
What? What was I doing? It was okay. I liked it. I think elevating those things.
All right. I think that's a 7. No,
I agree.
I'll go a 6 since I've been rating everything a 7.
I rate it a 7. It's like well, we are doing IGN, so they also rate like everything a 7. Except for Fortnite, that got rated a 9.
Yeah.
Give me half.
No.
Give me half.
Why would I do that? This literally just tastes like cereal with chocolate. Isn't that insane?
You did have a sugar flavor.
It's like way too sweet. I mean, it's good, but like really sweet. I'd rather just eat the cereal.
5.
I'm gonna go 4. Just be different, you know? Stop. Don't do that. Why?
Because them Casey nice that Dover.
That's awesome, son.
Let's start with Fuego. I've never had any toffee in my life.
I had these and these in my. We definitely didn't steal this from any popular YouTuber ever.
Yeah.
Dude, this is a good bag. Or at least this one tip is.
This is what it means to go further beyond.
I haven't had these in a while. So good.
You know what? You consider me a fan of toffees now.
What do you rate this one?
Hot. I think that's a 9.
9? Alright. No, I opened this one. Okay, epic. Yeah. So, this one is nitro with
Habanero. Sorry, I had dust like in my throat.
Okay. Cool. Dude, those are good. I don't know what Markiplier was talking about. Yeah, I'm just gonna taste like.
Water.
Well, I was gonna say cucumber. That must taste like a cucumber.
I like it.
Mm-hmm. I don't think it's as good as this. I'll give that like an 8.
I'll give it a. Keep my. Maybe between my balls.
What? I wish you would just stop talking sometimes.
I think it's a 6.
It's a 6.
It's a 6. Okay, what's
Going
this?
through puberty, eating these chips, son.
Yeah, these toffees are really taking me on an adventure.
Okay, anyway.
Crunchy Vegetas.
That one's a little bit more mild than all of the other ones.
Y'all are sleeping on the Crunchy Vegetas.
Is that actually how you pronounce it?
No, it's Mexican. You say fajitas.
Yeah, but like... Okay.
I'm gonna give that a 7.
Yeah. Blue. Oh,
Wait.
These aren't the blue
Yeah.
ones.
Well, we gotta save this for last because those are the coolest looking ones.
Are they? Oh yeah, we rated that one. That's awesome.
Buffalo Wild Wing. Oh wait, no, these are just wild.
Spicy buffalo.
Oh, they are spicy buffalo. Huh, I was right.
That one's pretty good. Oh no, it's a little too ranchy. Why didn't you laugh at that?
Ranchy.
Yeah. Yeah. Anyway. I'll make that like a 5.
I agree.
It's not that good. Whoa, that bag is cool.
Yeah, I told you they were the cool. Show the camera. Show the camera. Blue Heat Takis. Wait, what are they? What does it say right there? Hot chili pepper, tortilla chips, naturally flavored. Oh, naturally flavored. Look at that. No, artificially flavored. Never mind. Of course, they're blue.
Ooh, I'm getting the most blue one out of this bag.
They look like Breaking Bad chips.
Yeah, anyway, get one.
I'm gonna get this little one.
Whoa, my taste buds just went on like. It kind of tastes like this, but more
blue.
lime.
It tastes like that, but in blue. I think it's a 10. It's good.
You think that's better than that?
No, they were both 10. Didn't I?
No, you gave this a 9.
Okay, I'll give this one a 9 then.
Yeah. Okay.
Drinks. We need drinks.
Yeah. Sam, you almost fall?
No.
What are you looking for? Here's cups right here.
Oh,
There's cups in there.
there's cups in there? I didn't know.
And now you know. Because I just put them there.
Oh, these.
Same. Do you need the glass ones out too?
Yeah.
The others?
Yep. We got creative fruits, flavored water, sploots. Sploots?
What?
It says sploots. It says meet the sploots, James. Read it. Read the thing.
No.
Read the thing out loud for the camera.
Nah, I'm good.
Read it. You need to know about the sploots.
Yeah, anyway, it says stuff.
About the sploots.
Yep.
Alright, let's get in these first. Here, I'll read it actually. Meet the sploots. I'm Coco Nutty. I play in the leaves of tall trees. I go nuts for music, especially drums. Wow. There's cocaine on this one.
What? Is it really sugar? I'm gonna do it anyway. Whoa, I made a whirl! Whoa!
There's like 1 gram of sugar in here, I think.
Yep. It sure tastes like something that has 1 gram of sugar in it.
It's fine.
No.
I like it.
No.
Give it an 8.
No. I'm going to rate that a 1. That's horrible.
I drank all mine like 1 go.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good on that one. It kind of tastes like.
Alright, we should save the Mountain Dew for last, I think.
These need to be shook up too.
Yeah, I know. You think I can't see this powder in the bottom?
I mean, I was just making sure.
All this pulp.
Please don't drop that. Okay, I think yeah, I think you're good. Alright, cool. I guess you're just gonna keep doing that.
Gonna work the pythons, man.
Thank you for that. This one I'm probably most excited for.
Oh my lord. Samuel, how much money did you spend on that stuff?
Like 487. It's not as bad as last year. Last year I spent like 200.
Yeah.
And we got better stuff this year. So. Ugh.
It almost kind of tastes like water, but then it doesn't. It tastes like I'm drinking from a fish tank.
What is that? What is that?
I don't taste honey in there at all. I can taste the
Hydrate
ginger.
with deep sea water?
Oh Oh, okay. That.
Kelp-based superfood drink. This is a kelp shake.
It's not. It's not that bad.
This is bad.
No, it's not that bad.
I can't. Douglas, you want some?
I don't know where they got honey ginger from.
Honey ginger.
I don't taste honey. I just taste ginger. It's not even like sweet either. So
I didn't like that.
it's. I guess you can drink the rest of it. It keeps getting worse and worse the more I drink, but
Yeah, well, we got another one right here.
I'm excited for that one though.
It's also a kelp-based
alright,
superfood drink.
I can't finish the rest of that. I lied.
All right, Phil.
What?
Phil, talk to the camera. Phil.
Oh, okay.
He's like, where? Where is he? Where's this?
Alright. I'll rate that, a 1. Yeah, sure.
It's a 0.
No, it's not. Well,
Give me a drink, bartender.
isn't this.
Oh, give me a drink, bartender.
Did you shake this up?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
I said I can't.
Yeah, I shook the other one up. Didn't really do much for us. Don't pour me a lot. Just pour me like a little bit.
Yeah, I mean, what's wrong?
That's good. That's good. That's good.
I'm excited for this one. Yeah, we didn't read the bottle first. Did you already taste it? Dude, that smells good, but
This
like, the
one's
taste
not
is
as
like.
bad. This one isn't as bad. I can actually probably drink the rest of this. Oof.
It's alright. Rate that like a 3 or a 2.
It makes me feel like I'm at the mall.
It smells really good.
It tastes like the mall. So 3. Then switch to the Bath and Body Works. Alright.
Okay.
These Mountain Dew things that we found that we didn't even know existed. Mountain Dew Rise Energy with a lime. It's strawberry melon spark.
You're really good at that, Sam. Keep up the good work.
Thank you, Michelle Obama.
Alright.
Should have kept pouring it too good.
I mean, it's still not too late.
It smells like Major Melon.
It kind of tastes like it too, but like without the sour taste.
It's less sweet. Less sugary. For all you health nuts out there, this is the Mountain Dew for you, I guess.
I'm sure.
Orange Breeze.
Yeah,
Do you feel the
all
breeze?
the
Do
health
you?
nuts out there need an energy drink.
Well, they need immune support, mental boost, and 180 mg of caffeine.
Alright, just open that.
I'm feeling the breeze. The orange breeze. It smells orange.
No, alright, no, so, let's not do that. Oh, it's pretty good. I think I like this one better than the other one. Did we even rate that?
Oh. Yeah, well, let's write them together. Okay, this one is a 3, and this one is a 6.
Yeah, alright, cool.
Alright, guys, well, that was...
It's a really good episode, guys.
That was our comprehensive food review of this random stuff that we found at Walmart.
You are not wrong.
What do you think was the best thing? I think the best thing that I had was these Takis.
I really like the chips. These two items in particular.
You give me some Takis and some Major Melon, and I'll be home for Christmas.
Alright, that was an epic ending.
Alright, how do you want to end this?
By
Get-
hitting the
Get
stop
up here,
button.
get up here, get up here.
Why
You
can't
got-
I just hit the stop button?
Right here, stand.
Alright.
Stand right here. Goodbye. We'll see you the next time we do one of these. Bye.